QQ, thank you brother, you're welcome. Hey, what's up bro? Devraj Chandran. I don't use WhatsApp, Devran. You can just chat me on Telegram, okay? Look at this guys, our CPI new setup, flying high, okay, still flying. If you're holdings, you should still be in profits, right? But if you already close, that's fine too, okay? Enjoy your profits, congratulations, and let's see if we can get another setup, okay? Thank you brother QQ, you're welcome, you're welcome. Making blues just now, okay? Did you enter on my CPI signal? What up guys, what's good? Okay, we just won CPI news trade. So you guys follow just now, congratulations. So right now I'm just monitoring the chart, okay, looking for maybe the next possible setup for us, if you can get it today. Okay, do not rush because we already win big. 100 pips fly. QQ, number 1. Gold medal number 1. Okay, that means you follow. Area buy di mana? Okay, area buy di mana Okay, let's look at it. Okay, sekarang ni kita tengok air time frame dulu. Okay, sekarang ni kita ada resistance H4 paling dekat. Okay, macam Zack cakap dalam daily gold forecast, dekat around 2700 ataupun paling tinggi sekarang ni based on this previous level dekat H4, kita ada resistance dekat 2697. So kalau bullish momentum ni strong, if this bullish momentum is strong, probably it's still going up and retesting this 97 level before, maybe give us some slight rejection to the downside, and then maybe we can look for opportunities to sell. Okay, so right now if you want to buy, okay, maybe this is not advisable, okay, sebab price dah pecah dekat tengah-tengah. Okay, you should follow just now, okay, when I release the signal before the news. Zack, hey yo, hey, hi, Anika, right? Hey, what up, Anika? Got your birthday profits, birthday money? Area buy, okay Ri? Kalau area buy sekarang ni tak nampak apa-apa sebab price dah pecah ke tengah. Tadi yang masa dia retest, kalau tengok kat M1, okay, lepas news tadi, after the news, okay, gold managed to reject. Okay, sebenarnya tadi masa reject tu boleh buy lagi sebab dia still hold our previous buying zone. Okay, kita buy kat sini 84, 84 we entered. And then gold fly 100 pips for CPI news, and then it retrace a little bit, making a support, forming a support on this M1 time frame, and then rejected back again to the upside. So right now, from what I'm looking at on the charts, okay, gold is still bullish. Probably it's going to retest the 97 level. So let's see what happens if it reaches there. Okay, if we can get another setup. Money QQ, pure profits just now. That's good, that's good. Okay, that's good Anika. Pure profits, coach doing the most, Peter Mac. Yeah, I'm doing my best for you guys. Okay, the market has been crazy. Last year, actually the whole year has been crazy, and now we are entering the new year. Wow, still flying. Okay, even though I already closed my profits, but right now I'm still floating with $3,000 in profits. It's good. Okay, if you are still holding. Salam Zack. Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam. Thank you brother. You're welcome, you're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed the blues we made just now. That's why I told you guys to be alert. Okay, if I see a possible setup, we can enter. And you get it, Okay, we buy here at 94. Here we buy at 94, and then gold instantly spiked 100 pips to the upside and rejected a little bit, and right now still buying. So if you're still holding, congratulations. If you already took profits, that's good too. Just enjoy the blues while we are waiting for the next possible setup maybe. Okay, what happens actually? Okay, let's look at the data. Okay, let's look at the CPI today. What happens? Okay, this is the data that came out. CPI, okay, year over year, came out as forecasted, 2.9%. Okay, a little bit higher from the previous, which is 2.7%. And CPI month over month, okay, came out the same as forecasted as well, but higher than the previous one. And core CPI month over month, okay, decreases by 0.1% compared to the previous and forecast. So is this good news or bad news for the dollar? Okay, from this data and also from yesterday's data, okay, this is not looking so great for the dollar. And you can see instantly the reaction on the charts from what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see from the dollar what happens. This is the dollar chart. Okay guys, this is what happens when the CPI news has been released. The instant drop to the downside, that's why gold was flying for 100 pips, and we managed to take profits, okay, for 100 pips just now. And if you're still holding, I'm still holding few entries at the lowest. Should be in profits because the dollar is still dropping. Okay, it is showing weakness. Why? I'm showing it is showing weakness because right now, okay, even though it is holding, okay, this trend, you can see this is the daily time frame for the dollar, and it is making kind of like a bullish trend, and right now it is testing exactly at that trend line level. Okay, so right now it is also crucial point for the dollar. And if you can look at the H4 time frame as well, okay, the dollar is also holding the trend line on the H4 time frame, and right now we're testing exactly at the trend line point. And if it is going to go weak, maybe this trend line is going to break. Okay, and right now actually dollar already failed to hold in 109.09 level, okay, which it managed to hold before the news. And when the CPI news has been released, the dollar broke the 109 level. Okay, you can see clearly it is holding this level for so many hours. Okay, before the news, managed to hold it really nicely and making a slight bullish move to the upside before the news. And then when the CPI news released, it instantly rejected drop, breaking the 109 level, and looking like it is really weak right now. So that's why gold is flying. Okay, that is the basic reaction from the dollar and gold, because usually gold will be inversely proportional to the dollar, but that will not always happen. Okay, sometimes gold and the dollar can also move, okay, in tandem. Okay, both can be flying at the same time and both can be dropping, but in this case it is moving nicely, rejecting. Dollar is rejecting to the downside and gold is going bullish. So we have another impact news? No. Okay, our impact news for today already done. The data has been released, and this is the reaction that we get. So congratulations if you followed me. If you have any questions, guys, you can ask me in the chat. Okay, I will try to answer while we are waiting for maybe our next possible setup. Like I told you guys, I'm waiting for the 26.97 level. Okay, if it is going to retest there, I'm gonna look for any reaction. Okay, here is the future test that I already drawn in my analysis. You can see I draw and expecting for rejection when gold reaches this level, but if it is breaking, okay, really solid on the 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, okay, maybe it is not great for us to look for continuation sales. Maybe you can look for continuation buys. Okay, but for now, let's wait first. We are in profits. You should not rush your entries and burn all the gains that you make. Okay, so if anyone in blues in profits, can you tell me, okay, how much profits you make with the news signal just now? So Anika, we don't have any high impact news. Okay, so right now I'm just waiting, okay, for the 97 level. Already 100 pips, 120 pips from our entries. That's good. So guys, this is how you trade. Okay, do not rush your entries. Okay, you already entered before the news with me just now. Okay, let me explain why did I entered buy before the news. Okay, while we're waiting for the next setup. Okay, from my analysis, that I released to you guys in the channel. If you haven't joined my channel yet, you can join my Telegram channel and look at the analysis that I send every day. Okay, it is called SOC Daily Gold Forecast. In SOC Daily Gold Forecast, I already told you guys that gold is looking bullish, and here you can see that gold already broke this channel, okay, to the upside and kind of make a retest. That's why I'm looking for buys, because it is clear on the H1 time frame that gold still wants to go up. Where to? Okay, like I told you guys, this week since Monday we have a daily resistance, not fresh. Okay, if you're just referring to this level right here, it is fresh. But if you also referring to the previous one, okay, this is probably might be the third time that gold might be retesting this level. But first it needs to break, okay, the previous, okay, here. Okay, this daily candle closes with bearish engulfing closing previously, and here right now we tried to break here on the daily time frame. We are trying to break from there on the daily time frame. That's why we need to monitor our lower time frame to see if it is going to break or not. Okay, here the 1 hour candle, the previous one, okay, is closing with a solid bullish candle, hitting these two bearish candle. So right now the momentum is looking bullish, and looks like gold probably gonna be retesting this 26.97 level that I talked about. Okay, so right now we just wait. It is a really great setup just now. Okay, and also before the news, okay, gold is just ranging, making this compression or consolidation. Okay, this is all build up liquidity. Okay, when I see this, okay, I saw that the bullish sentiment or bullish bias is still holding. Because why? Because if this level is really strong, okay, before the news just now, here when this first instant drop and then this retest, the next move, if this level is really strong, a strong resistance, it should drop really heavily, okay, and making continuation to the downside. But then it didn't happen. What happened before the news? It just sideways move or ranging from gold. So that's why, based on this move, okay, and also based on the current high time frame moves, okay, it is looking bullish, and gold already broke this channel, this above channel from this move. So I'm seeing a bullish move. So that's why I'm focusing on buying before the news, and then we get a solid entry. So congrats for that. So right now you can see that, oh, gold starting to reject on the M5 time frame for now. Okay, didn't touch the 26.97 level yet, but it looks like it is rejecting a little bit. Okay, but we have to wait first. Okay, it maybe can do this pattern, this M5 pattern, bearish or doji closing, and then slight bearish move, and then bang, back to bullish continuation. And here already rejecting from the M5 time frame at the selling zone, but I'm still waiting. Okay, do you guys want another setup or not? Okay, or we should just call it a day, be happy, because we already made good profits, right? Okay, 100 pips, more than 100 pips actually right now, already 130 pips, 40 pips from the new signal. Okay guys, if you have any question, okay, don't be shy, feel free to ask. Any question is welcome. Okay, and I was a beginner. Okay, there are a lot of questions I was thinking about. Okay, about the charts, about the fundamentals, and also about price action. How do we read the charts properly, and how do we know our entry points and exit points? Okay, anything you can ask me. So right now, what I'm doing is, okay, I'm just waiting for maybe any possible setup that we can get to continue for the day after we won the CPI handpad news. Okay, with 100 pips or more than 100 pips. Okay, winning trade. For you all right here, let me ask you, have you made any profits or making blues today? Let me know, okay, so that I know whether I should release another setup, or maybe we just chill. Okay. Okay, don't worry guys, do not rush. Okay, the setup will form by itself. We just have to wait, and when we see the solid confirmation, we enter and get our profits. Okay, that's the way. Okay, you should maybe closing most of your entries just now when it reaches the highest level at 26.95. Yeah, got to that profit, bro. Zero gravity. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, that's what I want. I want you guys all here. Keep making blues, okay? Making profits with me, because that is our objective with trading. Okay, why should we trade if we're just gonna lose and keep making deposits, right? Okay, that is not the way to go. What you should focus on is protecting your capital, growing your account, and maximizing the profits while minimizing your losses. Okay, you cannot run away from losses. Okay guys, that's, to be honest, to be frank with you guys in trading, you cannot run away from losses, but what you can do is learn how to accept them and grow from it. Okay, when you took losses, you learn and then move on. Okay, and especially right now when you are winning like this, okay, like today, just now we entered buy right here, and now it is going into profits really nicely. Okay, this can also be a dangerous day for us, because why? Because we already win big, okay, and it is a high impact news trade, okay, really smoothly going to the upside, hitting our take profits. So we already won, right? And then maybe probably some of you guys still holding few entries at the lowest like me. So maybe this can also kinda give you the wrong confidence, okay? Maybe you can be overconfident and entering at the wrong time, at the wrong place, and end up losing all the gains that you make just now. Okay, so that is not what I want. Okay, right, just now we already made profit, so right now the mission is to keep making more, but of course with a strategy. Okay, not rushing, not entering blindly. So that's why we are just waiting right here. What I'm waiting for right now is, okay, maybe a possible sell entry, okay, because right now gold has been flying all day, and right now I'm waiting for a solid bearish rejection. If we can get that, okay, at the best zone, maybe we can find our next selling opportunities. Okay, so zero gravity, congrats on making profits. Kiki also, and Anika, pure profits just now. Okay, that's good. That's why you need to follow me, especially during news. Okay, if you have the setup, then we can enter. If you don't, then we just wait after the news. Okay, like yesterday. Yesterday we didn't enter before the news, we entered after, but we still make profits, and the setup was really good. After we entered, few minutes after that, it flies, hitting our take profits, and then we collect it, and then we just chill for the day. So like I told you guys, okay, the 97 level is really important, because we have high time frame resistance. Okay, the nearest current resistance is sitting there right now at this level on the H4 time frame. If you look at the H1 time frame as well, you can see we have the resistance right here, and here we retested and rejected really heavily. And right now the CPI candle closing above this continuation level, okay, which is telling me still indecisive move from gold, because it managed to close really solid with this 1 hour candle, and now it is rejecting. So I'm just waiting right now to see what gold is doing and what setup can we get today. Okay, continue keep making loose. See, it is rejecting. It didn't even touch the 97 level, barely touch it, and then rejecting, back retesting this previous M5 zone. Okay, let's see. See, this is the M5 zone that previously it managed to hold and went bullish again. So right now it is reaching back to that level, that same level, but also it is reacting from the high time frame resistance. So let's see if this bearish momentum based on this price action is really strong or not. If it manage to break the support, we're gonna wait and see what will happen at the previous entry zone. Okay, here at 46.84. Hi Zach, highlight the sky, what up? What's good? Yeah, I think let me change the song, right? This song is a little bit hard for you guys. Maybe you can listen to lo-fi song. Okay. Maybe not lo-fi. Okay. Highlight the sky, what up? What's good? Okay, making blues today. Did you enter on the CPI news trade that I gave or I shared in the channel? If you did, you should make profits already. And right now probably looking for more, right? So dollar, okay, trying to reject from this trend line. Okay, this is the dollar chart. And this trend line is really strong because it is a daily trend line. So right now, from the 4-hour time frame on the dollar chart, looking like it is retesting the trend line. Okay. If this trend line holds, maybe dollar can still continue its bullish momentum to the upside. Okay, maybe Trump will do something to keep pushing the dollar to the upside. But if this trend line on the dollar chart is breaking, maybe the dollar will continue to go down and retest lower supports. Okay, because the dollar has been flying also for a few months now, especially. Okay, keep going bullish after Trump winning the election. So right now, if you get a solid break from this trend line and a retest, maybe dollar is right now making a slight retracement to the downside and gold. In that case, if dollar keeps rejecting or going bearish, gold will probably keep continuing making bullish movement to the upside. So we just have to wait. Now I'm riding the bearish candle. That's good. Okay, you are riding the bearish candle already. Okay, that's good. Okay, just remember to manage your risk. And always, the most important thing, okay, when you enter any setups, okay, the most important thing is not only your entry, but also your exit. Okay, most of you guys sometimes already know how to enter and be in a profitable positions, but you keep holding it for too long and end up losing it. Okay, so that is not what we want right here. Whether you are selling or buying anything that you do, okay, always remember to take profits when you can. Okay, because why? Because you can always re-enter on the next setup, okay, or on the next move. You can always find a new setup to re-enter if you want to keep making profits. Okay, so that's why do not feel afraid to close your entries when it's already in use. Because every day, especially for small accounts, we always focus on scalping. So scalping basically means short-term trades. So the best way to do scalping trade is to close your entries at least when the setup is 51 or the setup already hit your take profit level. Close most entries, and if you want to hold, maybe hold few. Okay, like just now. So right now on the M5 time frame, looks like gold is rejecting, okay, to the downside. So let's wait. So looks like this resistance is kind of strong for now. Okay, let's see. It is retesting the previous H1. Okay, bullish engulfing candle that managed to break from these two bearish move. Let's see, okay. So guys, this is what trading is, okay. You make profits, okay, you exit the market, or you hold some entries, and then if you are planning to keep making blues, okay, you can wait like I'm doing right now, Okay, for any possible setup, you can get it. Maybe you can keep the profits for today. So dollar, let's look at the dollar back again. So I'm doing right now is just monitoring the chart, okay, not making any entries. I'm just holding my last entry before the CPI. Still in profits right now, but of course I already took profits from most entries. So don't rush, just wait. And tomorrow, guys, remember we still have one more impact news. For today we don't have anything left. So what's left is just the after effect of the CPI news for us to trade. Okay, if we want to continue making profits for today. There is no impact news after this. So the market should move a little bit nicely compared to what happens during the Asian session and also the Europe session. Not many moves. Okay guys, do you have any question? Okay, don't feel shy to ask. You can ask me. I will try to answer, okay, to the best of my knowledge and ability. Looks like gold. Okay, 1 minute more before the M5 closing. It's holding this M5 zone. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour time frame back again. 4-hour time frame. A bit strong rejection from gold, okay, because it is already going halfway from the previous bullish body with this bearish move. So let's see on the lower time frame. Okay, on this M15 time frame, okay, if you want to draw a trend line, also you can have a trend line right here. Okay, but remember, okay, I also draw an upward channel right here. Okay, and it has already been broken out by gold. So right now, if gold retested this level, okay, I'm still monitoring if we can get the rejection and any possible buying setup. Okay, I was waiting for 97 just now for possible sell setup, but price didn't even reach there, just barely touch it. Okay, 26.96, miss it by 10 pips, but that's okay. Dapat Ray, you entered Ray, congrats. Okay, memang nampak kalau kat sini nampak merah kan, sebab ni zone ni Z memang tak ubah daripada SOC Daily Gold Forecast. Okay, apa yang Z lukis, selagi chart tu tak sentuh, price tak sentuh chart tu ataupun zone mana yang Z lukis, Z takkan adjust tau. Sebab most of my mappings were based on the high time frame, like this one, H4 resistance. Why gold is rejecting right now? Okay, already. Okay, if you enter at the highest 96, okay, almost 100 pips, 90 pips right now, because it is the high time frame levels or zones that I marked right here on the H4. So that's why it has a slight, right now, a bearish rejection. Not slight, okay, 90 pips, it's already big. You should close most of the profits if you entered sell just now. But I was waiting for a break maybe and then rejection, but it didn't happen. Okay, that's okay. I already got my profits today. So right now let's see, okay, if gold managed to hold this previous buying zone, they will manage to enter on. Thank you gold. Profits be like up here. 20 pips and running, let's go. Okay, if gold break this M5 level, Okay, maybe we'll continue going down, retesting our previous buying zone, and we will see from there what happens. Okay, we have 3 more minutes before this M5 candle close. The previous M5 didn't manage to close below this, and this one kinda pierced through this level, this body level, and now it's rejecting. So that's good for you guys. M5 time frame can also be traded if you know what you are doing. So congrats Anika and also Ri, dapat 60 pips dong dari atas. So Tanya, congrats. Okay, take profits. 60 pips already baked. Kau nak hold 1 atau 2 entry je, okay? As usual. Because right now the current high time frame momentum still bullish, okay? That is why it is not advisable to hold your sell entries until we can get a solid bearish reversal, okay? Right now it is not solid yet because previously we have a strong bullish engulfing candle, okay, here with the news as well, and now it is retesting this level and then kind of rejecting from it. So looks like on the M5 time frame, gold is still reacting from this level. So let's just monitor first. If this M5 level managed to hold, okay, and even if you can get rejection on M15, that's even better. But of course M5 can already be enough to give us confirmation if you know what you're looking for. Okay, right now it is rejecting from this previous, okay, M5 bullish move. If this candle closing above this previous candle, the body closing, okay, as I'm telling you guys, it happens. Maybe gold will keep continue going up and testing the 97 level that I talked about. Okay, this is all the aftermath of the CPI news. Okay, we know that the CPI give us a bullish H1 closing. So right now we have the next H1 candle, okay, and the 30-minute candle is going to close in about 6 minutes. Okay, looking like it is rejecting from the previous 30-minute bullish body candle, okay. And the next time frame M15 also, okay, this candle failed to close below this body, and the next candle rejecting. Also right now looking like it is failing to close below this level. So maybe this M5 level is really strong right now, and gold will continue going higher, retesting the 97 level, or probably breaking higher, retesting the next zone is, which is 3700 level. Okay, yeah, I'm going to withdraw my profits. That's good. Okay, congratulations. Keep making withdrawals, keep making profits with me. That's what you should do. Wait guys, what song is this? We already passed Christmas. Let me change the song. Okay, Christmas done bro, already New Year. That's good Anika, withdraw your profits, enjoy the blues. Okay. What I'm saying is still bullish momentum from gold, okay, because the previous M5 candle failed to close below this level, and it is printing a bullish engulfing body, eating the previous M5 candle. So I'm saying it's still bullish from gold. Maybe it's going to go up and testing higher resistance that I mentioned. Okay, Zach, my problem why I kept on losing, I kept on over trading. That is your problem. You already know it. Okay, you already said it. You kept on over trading. So you already know. Stop over trading. Okay, if you make profits, what you should do is always make withdrawals. Okay, set a target daily. For example, you want to make $50 or $100 every day. When you achieve that, what you should do is withdraw all the profits that you make and only left the main or the initial capital that you traded with in the account to keep continuing growing the account or keep making profits on a new day. Okay, always withdraw your profits when you can, when you reach your target especially. Okay, I don't know about you guys, Okay, some of you guys maybe have $50 target only every day. That's already good. Okay, $50 is already big per day. Okay, some of you guys, if you work, cannot even get $50 salary per day. Okay, and heck, even $10 per day, maybe in some regions. Okay, so if you make more than what you have targeted, okay, what you should do is just enjoy the day, withdraw the profits, and if you want to keep trading, make sure to only use low risk strategy. Okay, use small lot size and do not enter too much entries. Okay, only enter if, for example, on the previous trade you make huge profits but you are using high risk strategy. Okay, on the next trade, if you keep if you want to keep trading, you should lower, okay, your lot sizes, or maybe reduce the number of your entries, and that's what we call using a low risk strategy to keep making profits, so that you will not burn the initial profits that you already make. Okay, I want to make it a habit. I want to make it a habit to stop doing that. You should. Okay, my tips is set your daily target. Okay, for example, every day before you take any positions, before you trade it, set your daily target. How much you want to make today? $10, $20, $30, or $50, or even $100. Okay, but of course you have to be realistic. You have to look at your capital, your account balance when you want to do the target. Okay, and always have a realistic target so that you can achieve it and not stressed out about it. Okay, if you have a small capital, do not try to target an absurd amount of profits per day. If you want to go low risk, okay, and if you can accept if the account will burn in a day if you're using high risk, so do not go high risk every day. Okay, only use it sometimes if you feel confidence with the setup, or if you are seeing a solid confirmation based on the price action or the things that you have learned from me, or based on the strategy that you have already chosen and used right now. Okay, so that is the way. Set your target. When you achieve it, okay, chill first and think about it, whether you want to keep trading or making profits, or the profits already enough, you already achieved your target, you want to enjoy the blues. So you decide. If you have already decided, and you can continue and go on with your day. Okay, that is how. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that means you make 100% gain. So you want to withdraw the profits and want to leave the balance to keep trading tomorrow. That's good. Okay, just withdraw the profits and enjoy it. Very slow move right now from gold after the CPI news, guys. Okay, I'm not seeing anything except this path that I'm drawing just now. If the next candle just now managed to close green, okay, maybe we can have a stronger confirmation that gold want to keep continuing going up, but right now it stalls at this level, so we have to wait first and see what's the next reaction. Okay, let's see. The 30-minute candle just closed. It is closing like this with red color, even though it is looking bearish. Okay, but it is not strongly bearish. Because why? The body candle closes halfway, okay, or maybe a little bit above 50% from the previous bullish body candle. Okay, so that means the previous bullish move is still strong based on this price action and based on what we see on the chart. Okay, so guys, let's just wait. Okay, if you have any question, as usual, you can ask me in the chat. Let's look at the dollar back again. The dollar as well, very slow move, but kind of holding the trend line. Okay, holding onto dear life for the trend line to hold for dollar. Okay, dollar is trying to hold the trend line for now. If it breaks, maybe go push higher. Interesting. Okay, So remember, always set your target, daily target, and when you reach it, remember to withdraw your profits like what Anika is doing right here. Okay, we won the CPI new setup just now, a really great setup, solid. Okay, I released the setup about 10 minutes before the news. Okay, if you entered right here, okay, we get a very solid entry. Gold is just holding our zone, and then bam, during the CPI news, it spiked to the upside, hitting our max take profits target, and then rejecting, but then still holding the bullish momentum. Okay, so that is a really great setup. Okay, you should be able to take profits because you have plenty of time, okay, to lock your profits with this move. And then here also, right now, if you are holding, remember to set your break even, and let's wait. Look at the price action on gold, what happens right now. What song is this? Looks like gold is rejecting, guys, to the downside. Okay, back near, close to our previous entry zone. So let's see. This is the M5 time frame on gold and dollar. Oh, rejecting also on the M5 time frame. So guys, remember to spam me the likes, okay, on the stream. If you like this kind of stream, I will be motivated to keep doing it every day. Just spam me the likes, okay, give me the comments. Also, you can chat me as usual on Telegram, okay, to give me your feedbacks, or suggestion, or anything. And most importantly, send me the profit screenshot if you make any blues with my signals, okay. That helps me or motivates me to keep sharing more signals or education to you guys for free, okay. Fire Zap, I have to go now. Okay, that's okay. See you later, okay. Looks like gold is rejecting back into our previous entry zone. Okay, we didn't get a retest to the 97 level that I mentioned, but barely. Gold missed it by 10 pips, and then it is rejecting to the downside. Okay, zero gravity. But remember yesterday, this is what is also happening during the PPI news. Okay, if you remember, during PPI news, gold went up, okay, and then it is dropping, but then it closes at the middle and then shoots to the upside. So what we have to wait for now and see is, okay, let me clear up some drawings first. Okay, let's break it down. Okay, this is the most important H1 candle for now, based on what I'm seeing on the chart. Okay, right now gold is rejecting from the H1 resistance or the H4 resistance. Okay, depending on what time frame you are looking at. So right now, if you're looking at H4, also gold is rejecting from the resistance that I labeled, and also I mentioned this is the daily gold forecast. So we have to wait at least to see this H1 candle or the next M15 candle, okay. If this M15 candle is closing bearish, breaking its previous support right here, okay, maybe it will go lower, retesting lower supports, find buyers at lower price. But we have to remember that it is still in a bullish trend overall. Okay, if you look at H4, you can see it is still in a bullish trend. Okay, but now it is dropping. So when it touches, okay, if it touches this trend line, you still have to wait if it's going to reject or break. Okay, if it's going to reject from here, maybe we can still have a bullish continuation to the upside. But first, before the H4 candle closes, we have to wait for this H1 candle, okay? Looks like the reaction right now is really strong after the news. Okay, if you're holding with break even, you should hit your break even already. But that's okay, okay, because break even means blues, okay, still profits. That's why you should lock all the profit just now when the spike happens. That's why, look at what happened just right now. Okay, gold returns back to our entry zone. That is gold, guys. If you want to know, that is gold, okay? Can move up for 100 pips and then reject back for 100 pips easily, especially during news time. The last point here that we can monitor for maybe buying opportunities at right here at 26.75. Okay, this is also the level that I mentioned to you guys early in this is the daily gold forecast. I told you guys if the 26.75 level okay fail to hold and gold manage to break from it, gold will go higher today and see what happens. Gold breaks and then make a retest, or this can also be considered as manipulations. And then the second break, and then clear retest on the H1 time frame, manage to hold this level, and then bam, going to the upside for 200 pips today. So that is my analysis since early today before the Europe session. I released to you guys. I tell you guys if it breaks the 75 level, gold will go higher. Okay, and that's what actually happened. So right now, this H1 candle is rejecting to the bearish side really heavily, and we still have 20 more minutes before the candle closing. So let's see what happens. Only 10 pips miss from my target price. Okay, I was waiting for 26.97, but it didn't go there. That's okay. But you can see from this analysis that okay, I told you guys to wait at 97, but then gold didn't even reach there. Okay, 10 pips miss the zone, or not the zone, it is already in the selling zone that I drew, but it missed the target price. Okay, but then it rejected really heavily for 100 pips to the downside. So that's why you should pay attention to all the analysis that I updated or give you guys every day, because if you know to look at the analysis and know to take opportunities from it, you can already make profits from just my analysis, even if I don't release any signals. Okay, Ayub Elhar, what up? What up, bro? What up, Ayub? What's good? Okay, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great, all of you, not only Ayub. Okay, but of course, Ayub, welcome to the stream. Okay, we just won the CPI news trade, and right now just chilling. Okay, looking at the chart, maybe looking for the next possible entry if we can get it. Okay, what up, Ayub? Okay, what up, everyone? Okay, just wait, don't rush. Okay, there's nothing to rush. I hope you guys are all making blues today, okay? Regardless if you're following me or not, okay? But it's good if you are following me, but if you are trading on your own as well, if you are making profits, okay, congrats as well. Okay, enjoy the blues. And right now, let's see, okay, if we can get another setup for us to keep making blues. MLQQ. Ayub, do you know QQ? Or are you guys related? Something? Okay. Are you guys friends? Okay, let's look at the dollar back again. bull. Okay, and 15, 3 more minutes before the M15 closing. Okay. Okay guys, looks like gold still holding our previous buying zone. Okay, remember our previous buying zone was at 2684. Okay, so right now it is 10 pips below the entry zone and still holding. This M5 candle is rejecting, okay, from the previous channel breakout that I drew for you guys. On this H1 time frame, okay, you can see that we have a channel breakout right there, and also have a trend line right here that has been broken out and right now retested. So let's see. Okay, I'm just waiting. Good job, thank you so much. Okay, I'm always doing my best for you guys right here every single day. Okay, sharing you guys the best education, the best trading tips, and doing live trading like this, live analysis, and also giving you live setups so that you can understand and can improve to become a better trader. Okay. Okay guys, remember, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat while I'm still live right here. Okay, while I'm still here on YouTube live streaming, you can ask me anything rather than asking me on the chat. Okay, because sometimes I take time to respond to you guys, because I do receive a lot of messages every day and a lot of questions. So M15 candle has been closing and looks like it is breaking this previous low. Okay, okay, let me try to look what is happening on the chart first. We still have 15 more minutes before the 1 hour candle closing, so let's wait. Okay, okay, the bigger the time frame that you are referring to, okay, the more chances for price to react when it reaches that zone. Remember that. Okay, if you are marking your zones based on an H4 daily or even weekly, okay, if price manage to reach your zone, the higher the time frame, okay, the bigger the reaction is going to be usually. Okay, like right now, this is H4 resistance, and you can see clearly when price reaches there, even though it is not reaching the targeted price that I mentioned, 97, but it rejected, okay, from this zone to the downside. Right now looking like it is going to retest low supports, and so we have a previous breakout level, okay, right here, or if you want to check right here also you can. Okay, you have kind of like resistance and then a break. So right now gold is trying to reach that level back again, and we will see what happens. Okay, strong reaction Okay, on M15, also on M5. So let's refer to the higher time frame first. Okay, you can see previously on H4 at this level. Okay, we have a base right here. Okay, on the H4 time frame, gold going bullish and then going bearish, and then next candle back forming a bullish candle closing, hitting the previous bearish candle. So this is the break, and right now gold is retesting this level back again on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what happens. So remember, the most important level of price is the 2675 level. Okay, that is the price that I mentioned in my associated gold forecast. So right now gold is dropping, yes, but let's see if it's going to reach the price that I mentioned earlier today, or just rejecting from this 2677 level. Okay, this is also the previous breakout level on H4. Okay, previously it was a resistance, okay, on the lower time frame, and then gold managed to break from there. Right now it is retesting but not touching it yet again. So let's just wait first. Okay, do not rush. So guys, tell me, are you still in any positions right now? Okay, or already closing everything and taking your blues? Still, anybody still in positions right now? Or everybody already closing the entries and already call it a day? Okay, tell me in the chat. No, all closed for now. Zero gravity said. Okay, already closed. Don't worry. That's good. That's good. Okay. It is raining right here. Okay, if you can hear it, raining really heavily. Ayub, with the hand and the high five, I guess. Do you have any question or what? Ayub. Okay, don't worry, if you have any question, just ask me in the chat. Okay, let's see what is happening with gold. Okay, 10 minutes before the 1 hour candle closing. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see if this 1 hour candle closing is going to close bearish, okay, or closing back above inside the previous bullish candle. Okay, strong bearish rejection from the zone. For now, I'm just monitoring, okay guys? at the daily. Daily as well. This is the daily zone. Okay. Eight minutes before 1 hour candle closing. Let's see what 1 hour candle closing that we are going to have for now. Okay, CPI going bullish with this candle closing, and then the next candle looks like right now is going bearish. So let's see how it is going to close and see if we can get the next setup for us to enter. Seven minutes guys before 1 hour candle closing. Okay, if you manage to sell from the selling zone that I mentioned just now, okay, even though the price not touching the targeted price 26.97, remember to close most profits right now and only hold few if you want. Okay, because the price already running into your direction. Okay, if you sold at the above zone that I mentioned here, you should collect most profits right now. Okay, back into our previous entry zone actually, and now it is holding. So let's see, about 5 more minutes, 6 minutes before the 1 hour candle closing. Okay, if this 1 hour candle is closing bearish with the bearish engulfing closing, probably okay at the retest to the above side, maybe we can have another rejection to the downside. Okay, because gold failed to continue going higher after closing with this bullish engulfing candle after CPI news release. So right now from the chart, what I'm seeing is okay, maybe it is just going to range in this area for today, or okay, if this candle closing with bearish engulfing, the next move will be we're gonna have to wait for any retest to the upside and maybe looks for opportunities to sell. Okay, so let's wait first. Okay, here also we have a strong bearish reaction on the F50 time frame. Okay. Let's look at the M5 time frame. Okay. 3 more minutes guys before 1 hour candle closing. IMKQ are the account shared by two. Oh, okay. So you Ayub and KQ are the same person? Is that what you mean? Okay, understood. I thought you were a different person. Why are you joining my stream with two different accounts? Okay, no worries. Okay, whatever accounts you use, no worries. As long as you join the live and learn, and if you have the opportunity, we will make profits. Okay, as usual. Okay, 2 more minutes guys before 1 hour candle closing. So let's see how this 1 hour candle is going to close. And looks like right now it is going to close bearish. Okay, so after CPI, gold failed to make the bullish continuation based on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, initially it closes with this bullish candle, but then after retesting this H4 resistance that I mentioned in SSC daily gold forecast, it rejected really heavily, okay, to the downside. So right now on the 1 hour time frame we are seeing bearish candle closing. Okay, and on M30 as well. Okay, bearish move, same bearish move. Let's wait for this 1 hour candle closing. Okay, 1 more minute. IMQQ. Okay, so 1 more minute before the candle closing, and looks like gold is going to close bearish on the next 1 hour candle, and 4 hour also right now it's looking kind of bearish, but it is not closing yet, so let's wait first. Okay, and let's look at dollar back again. Managed to reject from the trend line, okay, based on the price action on this lower time frame, M5. Okay, 1 hour candle is closing soon and closing bearish. Okay, so right now if you're looking for the next possible entry based on this 1 hour candle closing, okay, the best opportunity, the best entry that we should look for is maybe selling opportunity, but not selling right now. The best way is if you can get a retest to the upside. Okay, the best one is at this area, maybe we can get another sell entry. Okay, but if not, okay, we don't rush our entries, just enjoy the profits that you made just now with the CPI, and tomorrow is a new day. It's a new day. Okay, we can still trade tomorrow, don't worry. Still have high impact news tomorrow for us to trade and get our blues. So 1 hour closing bearish. Okay, and 15 also managed to break from the support. Okay, and dollar also flying, managed to hold the trend line. Like I tell you guys, if you manage to hold the trend line, maybe it will keep flying and gold will be dropping. But we still have the previous breakout zone lower, remember, at 2677 or at around 2675 right here. Okay, this is also the previous buying zone, important buying zone. Okay, right here. So right here we will see and wait for price action first and see what gold is going to do. Looks like dollar also rejecting from the earlier drop that we made just now, but still below 109. Okay, maybe it's going to retest this zone that it dropped from earlier. Okay, and maybe reject from there or keep going up. We have to wait first. Here also, okay, and the M5 selling zone forming around 84. So guys, we have a buying zone below. Okay, but the previous H1 candle is closing with a strong bearish engulfing candle. So to buy lower here is also kind of risky. Okay, unless we have a strong solid confirmation or solid rejection to the upside, maybe we can find opportunities to buy. But to follow the current H1 momentum right now, it is best for us to sell. But to sell, the best way is for us to wait for price to at least reject first. Okay, testing maybe higher levels and showing us the next rejection before we enter sell. Okay, to sell right away right now, it is not a good idea for me. Okay, so let's see if we can get another entry. Okay, thank you guys for joining the live. I hope you guys learned something. Okay, even though you're already happy with your profits for the CPI trade and we don't have the next setup after the CPI. I hope you guys enjoyed the profits and learned something from this live. Don't worry, we still have 2 more days to trade tomorrow and on Friday. Tomorrow we still have, let me see, I think we still have high pet news tomorrow, right? The next and final high pet news. Yeah, correct. Tomorrow we still have 3 high pet news for the US session. Okay, and on Friday nothing. Okay, on Friday nothing, so that means tomorrow, okay, the last US session for us to maybe catch bigger moves from gold like just now, 100 pips move spike to the upside, hitting our take profits. Okay, but we failed to get the continuation. That's okay. So tomorrow, okay, kita ada lagi high impact news, 3 high impact news tomorrow. So get ready. Okay, don't worry, just enjoy the profits that you made today. If you cannot get the next entry or the next setup to keep continuing making profits, just enjoy the boost that you make today. Okay, tomorrow we still have more opportunities ahead, especially during the US session. Okay, core retail sales is coming up, and also unemployment claims at 9:30 PM tomorrow during the US session. So get ready, okay, for tomorrow. Do not overtrade and do not lose the gains that you make today. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay, do not lose the profits that you already made today with me. Keep growing your account. Okay, keep having bigger capital to trade, because why? Bigger capital is better so that you have lower risk. Okay, and then you can make consistent target every day. For example, if you are trading with bigger capital, maybe you can only target 10% per day and already be happy with the profits you made with that 10% gain. Okay, but if you're trading with small capital and going high risk, okay, I will advise you to always manage your risk wisely, and after you enter any position, always remember to take profits when the setup goes into your direction and running in blues. That is the most important thing. Zero Gravity, terima kasih sama-sama. Terima kasih juga join live and support. Remember to leave me the likes. Okay, if you want me to continue going live like this every single day for you guys, to help you understand the market better. Okay, not only to release signals. Okay, kalau tak ada signal pun, at least you will learn how I see the market and improve as a better trader. Okay. So almost 1 hour already. Okay, for this live session. If you don't have any question, maybe I will end the live soon after this. But let's wait first and see what we can get from gold. Okay, for the last time. So right now it is retesting the previous breakout points. Okay. The most important level is at 26.75. or this green zone that I mark right now. If you can see, okay, this level managed to hold and a break to the upside, maybe a quick retest, maybe we can look for continuation. But if it is breaking really heavily with a solid break to the downside and it is hovering below that zone, okay, maybe gold is looking weak, and if dollar continues going up, okay, probably go break this level and find lower supports. Okay. The first one is at around right here, 2660. Okay, yesterday's buying level. Okay. Okay, looks like there are no questions from you guys, right? Okay, it is already an hour of the stream. Okay, this is a really near miss. Okay, 26.96. Damn, I was waiting for 26.97. Okay, that's why I always try to give you guys the sharpest entry and the lowest risk entries. Okay, you can see from this example right here, I tell you guys I was waiting for 97. It didn't happen. But okay, imagine if it touched 97 and this is the 97 level and then straight away dropping like this. Okay, isn't it will become a really solid setup, a really sharp entry? Yes, of course it will be. But of course we didn't get the entry because I was waiting higher and gold didn't reach higher. Just missed 10 pips from the zone I mentioned, from the price I mentioned, but still in my selling zone, and it is dropping. So right now, after the 1 hour candle closing, okay, you can see clearly this 1 hour candle closing is closing in a really strong bearish engulfing pattern. So the best, okay, way to trade the market, if you want to keep continuing trading for today, is look for maybe opportunities to sell. The first one is right here. Okay. Second one is probably right here. This is the best level, I think, for me. If gold manage to break, okay, at least reaches back at this level, 2690, and you manage to get a bearish rejection from here, maybe this is the best point to sell. Okay, here, yes, of course, it's going to be a little bit high risk, but maybe you can do a quick scalp. Okay. Okay, for now, based on the current price action, okay, gold has been moving bullish whole day since the Asian session, okay, and also Europe session, okay, and also US session. At the US session during CPI, gold still moving bullish, and after the CPI, it managed to find resistance right here and rejecting from there right now. Okay, the 1 hour candle, the previous one, also closing bearish. Okay, also the lower time frame. Okay, so right now it is rejecting from this level. We have selling zone on the lower time frame here. First one is at 82. Okay, if you want to take 20 pip zone, and the next one is right here. Okay, so that is the plan if you want to keep trading. But of course you have to wait and monitor the price action first. Okay, remember, if you want to sell, always look for a rejection, bearish rejection to the downside first. When price enter the zone, do not straight away enter sell. Wait for rejection on M5. Okay, if you can see the rejection, maybe wait for the retest and look for the entries. For buys, you can wait for right here at the previous breakout zone at around 675 or lower, 72 K30 pip zone, and wait for bullish rejection. If you can get a bullish rejection, maybe you can find opportunities to buy at right here. But if you get a solid break, okay, gold just pierce through this level really easily and make another strong bearish closing on the F5 time frame or M15 at least. Maybe we continue going bearish and make a continuation to the downside, testing lower levels. The next nearest buying zone based on yesterday's move is right here at around 660. Okay, this is also H4 zones, and this one is also H4 zones. Okay, resistance becomes support. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the live right now. Okay, don't worry, I will be waiting for confirmations. Okay, if I see the best setup or solid confirmation for us to continue and keep making profits for the day, I will release the signal in my channel after this. Okay, so stay alert, remember to join the School of Charts, and always remember to turn your notifications on so that you don't miss my signals and my setup. Okay, congrats on the profits that you make today. With the CPI news trade, we managed to catch 140 pips, I think, in the maximum based on the CPI news setup right here. Okay, we enter right here and then gold moves up until 26.96 to the upside. So 130 pips maximum for the CPI news trade. So congratulations if you followed. Enjoy your blues, and let's see if you can get another setup to continue making profits for the day. If we do, I will release the signal in my channel, the School of Charts. Just stay alert. Okay, join the channel, turn your notification on, and then when I release the signal, remember to follow. Okay, if not, enjoy the blues for today, and we will continue on a new day tomorrow. Remember, we still have the last time pack news for the US session tomorrow, so just remember to stand by your account and always be alert for the new day tomorrow. Okay, for now, stay alert. Okay, I will be monitoring the chart. If I see the next setup, I will release like I told you guys. Okay, do not rush your entries, do not burn the profits that you made today. So guys, have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy the blues that you make today with me for the CPI news trade. Okay, congratulations, we win the CPI news trade, and let's hope that we keep making blues for the rest of the day if you can. Okay, see ya.